Do you struggle to edit PDF document? What if I told you that Word can do that easily for you without needing any third-party software? Let me show you how. Just launch your Microsoft Office Word or any other Word software. Head up to File, go to Open, go to Browse, and select your PDF file. Now, MS Word will prompt you, asking you if you now want to convert the PDF document to an editable document in Word. Just click OK, and then you have everything editable in Microsoft Office Word. So you can highlight, bold it, you can insert text, and make any changes you want to make. After that, you can just go to File, Save As, select Browse, and then you save. Now you have your PDF document in Word document format. As simple as that. But let's take note that this works best with simple text documents. If you have a heavy PDF document that contains a lot of graphics, sometimes they store the graphics after the conversion. So if you have purely text-based PDF document, this method can work nicely for you.